Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Today we're making a simple low carb snack or appetizer, whichever you want to use it for. These are low carb sausage balls. To make these, you're going to need 16 ounces of your favorite ground sausage, 1 egg, a fourth a cup of cream cheese, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and I shred my own cheddar cheese because it seems to melt better than the store-bought shredded cheese, a fourth a cup of coconut flour, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I usually leave the salt out because the sausage has salt in it. First, brown the sausage and then drain it and let it cool for a couple of minutes. In a mixing bowl, add the cream cheese. Then add in the warm sausage, and that warm sausage is going to help melt the cream cheese so it'll mix easier. Add in the cheddar cheese and the egg. Mix everything together. Then add in the coconut flour and mix that all together until everything's mixed well. Place that in the fridge for 10 minutes. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. After 10 minutes, remove from the fridge, get a small cookie scoop, scoop the sausage mixture onto a parchment paper lined baking pan. This makes about 25 sausage balls. If you don't have a cookie scoop, you can always use a spoon or just roll it into balls with your hands. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove from the oven. 3 sausage balls has 241 calories and 2 grams of carbs. There's also 1 gram of fiber, so that makes it 1 net carb per serving. So there's 1 net carb and 3 sausage balls. And these are really good. I really like these. I usually have them for a quick snack, but I have difficulty keeping them around because my husband loves them too. Even though he isn't on a low carb diet, he loves these sausage balls. So I have difficulty keeping them around, but you can make them ahead of time and you can freeze them. Well, that's all there is to it. A simple low carb snack that I enjoy. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to check out my cooking short on Friday. It'll be another quick recipe to show you something else I have on my diet. Then on Sunday, my video will post for the Last Chance Cook-Off collaboration. Be sure to check it out along with the other videos in that collaboration. Monday, we will have the Lake Hill City Birds, and then Wednesday, we will be having another doggy birthday as Diane turns 10. As always, don't forget to stay tuned for more drool-worthy human and doggy treats. Y'all have a blessed day.